Let's talk about our Coachella Valley. From lifestyle, beauty, food, fun, and much more. This is Desert Chats with your host, Sandy Newton.
Welcome to Desert Chat, Dr. Gerard and Colin. We are so happy to have you here because this is a brand new segment for us, Square One Medical. And Doctor, tell me what really sets you apart from different rehab situations.
Well, so at Square One Medical, we don't just teach you how to deal with your addiction or other issues. We actually have methods, medical methods, to retrain and re-optimize your brain so that those cravings and issues are sort of disappear.
Wow. Well, I know this has been kind of 40 years in the work, research behind it. So talk to us about really kind of walking through the process.
Well, so initially a patient is evaluated, physical exam and all that stuff, and then a treatment plan is laid out. And the treatment plan initially or typically consists of infusions of a substance called NAD IV, which is found in every single cell in the human body. It is necessary for the function of the cell. But in certain situations, it's depleted in particular areas of the brain, as well as other areas of the body, but mostly in the brain. And because of this, then these symptoms start to appear.
So then, Doctor, what challenges do you actually address?
Besides addiction, and that means any kind of addiction, also things like anxiety, depression, dementia, brain fog, things like that.
Wow, that is amazing. And Colin, I know you've been through the program, so tell us about your successful experience.
So I had an addiction and I tried everything. I tried Subutex, Suboxone, Methadone, in residential, everything. And then it was the protocol that John uses at Square One Medical that really saved my life. And I know it's really scary to go through alcohol or opiate withdrawal, but one of the things that makes them different is they make sure you're comfortable throughout the process. They have a bunch of ways that they help with the withdrawals. And then next, it's a brain disease, and a lot of people need to know that. It's not a question of morality. So don't give up on your loved ones, I would say, for sure. And if somebody has an issue or if they know a loved one, they can get back to their best selves.
Wow, that is very good advice and so true. So tell our viewers where they get more information.
Sure. So you can call 760-286-9946 or visit our website, Palm Springs, CADrugRehabilitation.com.
Great. Well, such good information and so important to know. Congratulations, Colin.
Thank you.
On a wonderful recovery. I know that is challenging at best, and we're so happy to share this with our viewers. Thanks so much.
Great. Thank you very much.
Video presentation by Square One Medical of Palm Springs, California. 760-286-9946. Our practice is dedicated to people suffering from drug and alcohol addiction. We have addiction treatment protocols for prescription opiates, alcohol, cocaine, fentanyl, and heroin addiction, as well as other addiction rehabilitation. This program includes NAD plus IV therapy, which helps reduce withdrawal symptoms, restore mental clarity, and support long-term sobriety. Our comprehensive approach includes neurofeedback therapy, Vivitrol injections, glutathione, and individualized counseling to address both the physical and emotional aspects of addiction. At Square One Medical, we've helped hundreds of individuals from across the U.S. reclaim their lives. Visit Palm Springs, CADrugRehabilitation.com. To learn more about our personalized treatment plans, call us at 760-286-9946 to speak to a drug rehab specialist.